Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, may I present for your entertainment the incredible Ace of Diamonds trick. I have three aces, the Ace of Spades, the Ace of Clubs, and obviously the Ace of Diamonds. This trick will be accomplished by my assistant, Quacky the Wonder Duck. Don't take your eyes off Quacky. Don't take your eyes off the aces. Are you ready to go? Ace of Spades, Ace of Clubs, Ace of Diamonds. I don't even do anything sneaky. I take those aces, snap my fingers, and put them on the table. Could you please tell me where the Ace of Diamonds is? You think it's this card over here? Well, that's the Ace of Spades. You think it's this card over here? Oh, that's the Ace of Hearts. What's in the middle? The Ace of Clubs. Where's the Ace of Diamonds? Why don't we ask Quacky? She is so fast, she zipped over, grabbed the Ace of Diamonds, zipped back, tucked it under herself. She's been sitting on top of it, on top of the deck, for a couple of seconds now. Check this out. Thank you very much, Quacky. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the incredible Ace of Diamonds trick, thanks to Quacky the Duck. Here's how you perform the amazing Ace of Diamonds trick. Let me show you what you need. First, this is really important. You just need a deck of cards. They can be any cards. It doesn't matter. If they're lying around the house, they're in the toy box, whatever, take them out. All you need are the four aces in an ordinary, regular deck of cards. You also need a toy. So if you have a toy lying around, it could be an action figure, a board figure, a little stuffed animal. I like to use my little pet duck here, my rubber duck. So I'm going to put these away and show you how to do the trick here. And I'm just going to use Quacky, my duck. You have the four aces that you've taken out of your deck. You take the real Ace of Diamonds and you put it on top of the deck, and then you put your toy on top. Now remember, you do all of this preparation before you show the trick to anyone. So before the audience even comes over, you do all of this. Now, here's the secret. You make the Ace of Hearts look like the Ace of Diamonds. This is very sneaky. Check this out. If I cover the Ace of Hearts like this, check this out. It looks like the Ace of Diamonds. Pretty sneaky, huh? So again, what you would do is you could cover up that Ace of Hearts like this and hold it. And now when you're ready to do the trick, say, hey, come on over. I want to show you the amazing Ace of Diamonds trick. It uses an Ace of Clubs, an Ace of Spades, and of course the Ace of Diamonds. You need to keep your eye on the Ace of Diamonds. Now you turn the cards over and you just square them up and then put them on the table. And you ask your helper, hey, where do you think the Ace of Diamonds is? And wherever they point, you turn that card over and say, oh, well, no, that's the Ace of Clubs. Try again. Oh, how about this one? No, oh, that's the Ace of Spades. What's this one? Well, that's the Ace of Hearts. Hey, wait a minute, where did the Ace of Diamonds go? Well, you see, I have a partner that helps me, and that partner is Quacky the Duck. Quacky is so fast, she zipped over, grabbed the Ace of Diamonds, zipped back, and tucked it under herself. And she's been sitting on the deck and on top of the Ace of Diamonds all this time. You don't believe me? And now, remember, you put the Ace of Diamonds there ahead of time. All you have to do is take your toy off and turn over the very top card to show the Ace of Diamonds. And this is a really magical trick, and you don't do anything. That's my favorite kind of magic. There we go. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a lot of fun performing the amazing Ace of Diamonds trick.